Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope all of you are fit and fine and learning English language consistently. So basically in this video, I will tell you how to use or how you can use do, does or did. Although there are many uses of do, does or did. But in this video, I will tell you an advanced use of do, does or did. See, if I say, here I am showing you two sentences. If I say, I love you or I do love you, which sentence is correct between these two sentences? You know first sentence is correct and also second sentence is correct. But you need to understand how to use do. Okay? And if I show you another two sentences, she comes here and she does come here. Which sentence is correct? You know first sentence is absolutely right. But what about second sentence? So you need to understand how to use does. And again, if I say another two sentences like she went to the market or she did go to the market, you know very well first one is correct. But what about second sentence? So here you need to understand how to use did. So basically in this video I will tell you how to use do, does or did. If you watch this video from first to last, then by the end of this video you will have understood how to use do, does or did. Basically it is an advanced way or advanced use of using do, does or did. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's kick off our today's video. So before I start this video, you need to remember two things. First thing is we always use do, does or did for emphasizing. Okay, and second rule is we will always use V1. It means the first form of verb after do, does or did. Like go and gone, we will use go. Like good, better, best, we will use good. The first form of verb. Okay, remember these two things. So now let's talk about our first two sentences. Our first sentence was I love you and our second sentence was I do love you. Here you need to understand why I have used do. See, I told you two rules for emphasizing and V1 form. Okay, so we will use do, does or did for emphasizing. Here I am emphasizing something. For example, if you ask me, do you love me? Normally I will say I love you. And in return, if you say I don't believe, then I'll say I do love you. I'm emphasizing here. See, I love you or I do love you. I love you, it is normal sentence, but I'm emphasizing here. I do love you. It means I really love you. So if you don't want to use really word, then use do. For example, if I give you another example, like if you ask me, do you eat banana? I'll say, yeah, I eat banana. If you say, no, I don't believe it, then I'll say, I do eat banana. It means I'm emphasizing here. I really eat banana. So for emphasizing, we will use do, does or did. Now I think you have understood why I have used I do love you for emphasizing. And now let's talk about our second two sentences. Our first one was she comes here and second one was she does come here. As I told you, for emphasizing we use do, did or does. See, if you just normally ask me, for example, if you ask me, does she come here? Normally I will say she comes here. Yes, she comes here. But if you say no, I don't trust it, then I will say she does come here. It means she really comes here. I'm emphasizing here, right? But don't use she does comes here, because after does, I also told you after do, this, do, did or does, we will use V1, the first form of verb. Okay, so she does come here. I am emphasizing here. It means she really comes here. Okay, so if you understand do, then does and did you will normally understand. Now let's talk about our third two sentences. She went to the market or she did go to the market. See, if you ask me, did she go to the market? Normally I will say, yeah, she went to the market. But if you say no, I did not see her to the market or at the market, then I will say no, she did go to the market. It means she really went to the market. I am emphasizing here. So, but after did, don't use went. She did went to the market. It is wrong. She did go to the market, because earlier I told you after do, does or did we will use be1 form. So if you can remember these two things or two rules, then you can easily use do, does or did. So now I think you have understood how to use do, does or did. For emphasizing, we will use do, does or did. Present, we will in present time we will use do or does. If we talk about past, then we will use did. So my friend, I think you have understood how to use do, does or did. So if you think you have learned something new from this video, then please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel if you are watching me on YouTube, or if you are watching me on Facebook, then please follow our Facebook page, because here we upload English related content or videos. So thank you so much for watching this video till right now. I will catch you in my next one. Thank you so much.